Sharing documents through email is a simple and essential digital skill that helps us stay connected, both in our personal lives and at work. Whether it's sending an important report, a family photo, or any other type of file, being able to attach documents to an email makes communication efficient and seamless. Let's say you want to send a photo to a friend or share a document with a colleague. The process is straightforward. You compose your email, click on the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip, select the file from your device, and just like that, it's ready to be sent. By mastering this simple skill, you're not only enhancing your ability to share information quickly, but also improving your digital confidence. Whether it's sending holiday pictures to family or sharing work files with a team, knowing how to attach documents to an email keeps you connected and productive in today's digital world.